Why is email marketing one of the best marketing methods on this planet? And the answer is simple. It's one of the most predictable and most cost-effective marketing methods on this planet. Here's how that works. You usually need like an email marketing software which can start really cheap from like $50 per month. And this will help you to send out your email, newsletter, or broadcast or autoresponder messages to your audience, to your subscribers. This is really cheap. If you think about how many messages you can send for this amount, it's really ridiculously low. You own the list. You can take your email list from one subscriber, like from one email marketing solution, and you can take this over and switch over to like another provider, and you can use it there. It's the permission was given to you as a person or to you as a brand, as a company, so you can take this data and use this and go anywhere else. Even if like the email provider like break down, you can just go to Gmail and send out people emails this way. So it's like yours to have for life. This makes it completely different to any social media platform on this planet. If you go on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, those followers, fans, subscribers, those are not yours. You don't have any control. You can't send them an email. If any of these platforms decides to change the algorithm and to not show your content to anyone anymore, it's out of your control. This has happened a couple of times in the past. Just take a look at Facebook pages. People spend thousands and thousands of dollars to building up their fan pages, only to realize suddenly LinkedIn says it's now pay to play and you have to boost every single post if you want to reach any one of those people on your page. So this is not working anymore. You have to expect that this can happen at any time with any social media network. With your email list, you actually own the data, and you can take this, go somewhere else. If you don't like this provider, you can start from scratch. Even you can build your own email provider. With the email list, you have a direct access to someone's inbox, and you can send them a message and communicate with them in the most direct way. Most people read most of their emails, so that's really great. You have not that much competition when you're sending out an email, especially if you have good content and you know how to write your subject lines in a manner that gets you opens. Your intro text is getting people to read through this, and you have a call to action for people to click on a link, to view a video, to do whatever you want in this video. So it's one of the best marketing methods and makes you completely independent of any social media algorithm changes that could happen at any time. Okay, how do you build an email list? So there's a couple of ways. The most boring way how you can build an email list, you can just ask people to subscribe to your newsletter. It has like mixed results unless you're like really like the person who really loves you as an influencer. This usually has like a limited amount of subscriber rates, like especially if you're in a business context as a B2B brand. You usually don't get that many people to say like, yeah, let's subscribe to this company newsletter because they create some awesome, interesting content. A better way is that you're giving people an incentive to sign up. Everyone who's signing up to your newsletter will get a downloadable, like an ebook, a white paper, can be anything that is adding value to people. And in content marketing, what I usually do is I create an article and then I create a tailor-made, bespoke content upgrade specifically for this content. So people who are interested in this content will also want to have the downloadable. This gets like a huge amount of subscribers onto your email newsletter. So you can check this out on my website, where I often have like a PDF version of the article itself as a downloadable, so people can download it and print it out at home. This is really a great way how you can build an email list. You can also build an email list by having opt-in features in your shopping cart software. You can tell people they can get like everyone who's signing up to your newsletter can get like a discount rate for their next shopping trip. So you can give them incentives to sign up like in all kinds of possibilities. You can run a giveaway where you want to be careful about this because you don't want to get the people who are like just cheap. You have something specific that is only relevant and interesting to people who would actually be potential customers. So you can do a giveaway, contest. There is a lot of different ways how you can grow an email list. You can get people from social media, send them to a landing page so they can get some downloadable upgrade, content upgrade. You can promote, for example, like a short online course where people getting like a sequence of emails every single day or once per week, which is giving them like consistent content. There is many different ways how you can build one, and I recommend to start with content upgrades in your content marketing strategy and then build from there and implement more and more methods how you can build this email subscriber list.